Alright, so I'm making some bulletproof coffee, and I actually do it different than most. So I've got my AeroPress here, but it's upside down. I've actually already put my coffee grinds down inside of it while it's upside down. And what I do is I take my tea kettle and I put the water right over the coffee grinds while this little AeroPress is upside down, like so. And then stir it up a little, get all the coffee grinds mixed up into the water there. Kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a hot chocolate or something. And now it's just kind of steeping, almost like a tea. So let me set my camera up here. All right, so I let it steep. I got my filter here. I already put the little paper filter inside. Put it on top. Take my little coffee mug here. And then I'm gonna actually let that steep for a second while I get a little tablespoon of my Kerrygold grass-fed butter. Let's see, so that's 1 tablespoon there, so cut off a little slice. So I got my tablespoon of butter. Put that right inside there. Got my brain octane MCT oil. Put a little bit of that in there. I like to sweeten mine up a little bit. I don't like it just the regular flavor. So I use a little bit of stevia. Put a little stevia packet in there. There we go. So I got my grass-fed butter, my brain octane oil, and my stevia. And now I'm gonna flip this over. It's actually been steeping for a little bit, so it's the hot water and the coffee is actually steeped in there, kind of like a tea. So it'll be a nice, real potent, strong coffee. Do my little press here like so. And almost there. Wait for my psst. There it is. Okay. So now I've got, it goes to about here with my coffee. So I'm just gonna add a little more hot water on top of it. There we go. Now it's about maybe 2/3 full, about right there. And then I used to use this big blender back here for all of this, but it's a lot more cleanup. So I actually got this little thing. It's called an Aero Latte. So I have an AeroPress and an Aero Latte. So I use this and you turn it on and it just spins. It's like a little handheld blender. So I just kind of put it down in here and spin it until my coffee's all nice and frothy. And then let's see here. I'm gonna flip my camera around if I can. Nope, not letting me. There we go. A nice frothy bulletproof coffee. And now I'm gonna drink it.
What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that quick tip video you just watched. You want more videos like that and cool stuff from me and this weirdo over here? Go to theweeklyprofit.com. It's a weekly newsletter. We only send it out once a week, and we give you updates on what's on the blog and the new podcast episodes, and we send out more quick tips like that. Yeah. So if you like this kind of stuff, theweeklyprofit.com will send you some cool stuff. He'll send you some stuff too.
I've seen cooler stuff.
No, my stuff's cooler. Anyway, theweeklyprofit.com. Go check that out. See ya.